Hi, I'm Kendra Kreipel, an HR generalist here at Atlas MedStaff, and today I am going through the steps to register your medical account with Blue Cross Blue Shield using the MyBlue Nebraska app. This app is so helpful in managing your health care. You can look at your claims, find in-network providers, and estimate the cost of specific treatments. If you are enrolled in the Atlas Medical Plan, you can download the MyBlue Nebraska app to your mobile device from the App Store or Google Play. Before you register, you will need your member ID, and I know that sounds like, huh? Because many of you have not received your card yet. If you do need your member ID number, simply send an email to me at benefits@atlasmedstaff.com and I will get you that information. If you do have your Blue Cross Blue Shield ID card, the 9-digit number is on the front of the card. Once you have your ID number, open the app and click Activate Now. Scroll down and enter your email address and confirm your email address, and then create a password and confirm that password. You will then be asked to enter the 9-digit ID number. Be sure to enter the letters A and C at the beginning. Complete the demographic questions, agree to the terms and conditions, and then click Next. Once complete, you will receive an email confirmation with the link Complete My Registration. Click the link and you're ready to use the app. We highly encourage you to use this because you can even download a digital copy of your member ID card, and it is always with you, so no more digging around the purse or the wallet to find it. We are going to cover more features on this app in the future. I'm Kendra, an Atlas HR generalist, and this has been your Minute with HR.